You know, as much as I hate vacuuming, mopping, and dusting, I get a major glow from having a home that is squeaky clean.
Well, but be warned, no matter how thorough you are, grime and dust manage to find their way into some unexpected places.
Lindsay Granger met with the Queen of Clean to show us the secret hiding places of dirt, and that is our featured story on the top of the list.
You make the bed, you wash the dishes, you vacuum the floor, but filth can still build up in unexpected areas.
What do we forget about?
You know, there's so many little things that we use every single day in our lives, and they're modern conveniences, but we forget that we need to clean them.
So the Queen of Clean, Linda Cobb, is showing us the overlooked items you need to clean now. Starting with your single-serve coffee machine.
They're easy, they're fast, they're quick, they fit our lifestyle, but how often do you clean it?
Well, you see, this is mine here, and you told me I probably got a D rating if I was a restaurant.
Yes. Yeah, you would have been closed down.
So don't be like me. Once a month, fill the water tank with white vinegar and water and let it eat through all the hard water stains, bacteria, and potential mold sitting in your machine.
We're going to run it through the machine, and we're going to keep pumping it into the cups until we empty it all out. That vinegar is going to flow through the tubing and through everything, and it's going to clean all of that out.
Now, will your coffee taste like vinegar?
No, absolutely not, because when we're done cleaning it, we're going to rinse it again.
Then be sure to clean out your pod holder by soaking it in hot soap and water. Pro tip, clean the hard-to-reach areas with a toothbrush and get rid of all that junky Java taste once and for all. Next up, clean out that blow dryer.
It collects lint, particularly in the back here, and when it does, it will overheat the dryer and burn it out, and it won't dry your hair as fast.
Okay, if you're looking at your blow dryer like it's a Rubik's Cube, relax. The answer's a total cheat. The back comes off.
Most of them, you just kind of turn it back and forth.
Then just use a dry brush or a toothbrush to remove all the filth you've been heating up and blowing onto your clean hair. And finally, clean off those can openers.
They touch the can for like 5 seconds. How dirty can they be?
Really dirty. Let's say you're opening chili or beans or whatever. It's going to get on there. And there's suction when you open the can too that draws dirt out and dirt in. That's why they always tell you to wash the top of your cans. But you didn't know that either.
Yeah, I was like, wow, I never washed the top of my can. Just letting all the bacteria go in.
Even a clean can opener can have rust on the blades. So
you're going to take a paper towel and you're going to just put it in between the wheels, and then I'm just going to turn it. Anything that's on there comes off.
Sorry, but now that you know just how filthy they are, you've got to clean these overlooked items in your home. Put that at the top of the list.